Hey guys, it's Jen here from Nails by Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my August top 5 favorites. I'm really enjoying doing these videos for you guys. So as you know, if you've watched any of my previous top 5 videos, I not only will showcase products, but I will also showcase apps, or programs, or classes, or maybe organization items, basically anything that I utilize in my nail studio that I think will benefit you guys or something that you guys might like. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around, keep watching. As always, don't forget to click that like and subscribe for me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and let's get started. Alright guys, so starting off with number 1 is going to be some glitters from Glitter Mix Canada. You guys know I love Glitter Mix Canada. I have a coupon code, so I will link it below for you, and I will also put the coupon code here for you guys to get 10% off of your order. So I showcased the Cocktails Collection Flakes that I got to name. I showcased those in, I think it might have been my June top 5 favorites. And then I also had to go and purchase, of course, the glitters. So it's the Cocktails Glitter Collection, because once I used the flakes, I was in love with the flakes. And then when she also came out with the glitters, I was like, I need those as well. So I think there is 11 in total. And I will actually put a picture here of a set of nails. I mean, I used these glitters a lot in August, but there's one picture in particular that I will post here because I'm obsessed with them, and it's really one of the easiest designs to do, but I love them so much. I will also insert some videos close up of the glitters so you can see them as I'm opening them from the top. I really like to show you guys like a top view of the bag open. So I will go through them and just list off the names for you, because these are the same names. So when I got to name the collection, I got to name them for both. I think there might be a couple in here that I didn't name that she named, but for the majority of them I did get to name, and I really like them. So the first one is called Pina Colada, and it is an iridescent white glitter. I cannot wait to use this for Christmas. So I didn't really use this one in the summer nails, but this is going to be perfect for Christmas time. Winter nails, going to love it. Then there is also Fruit Punch, which I think that's one of the ones I did not name. It's a pink one. There's Strawberry Daiquiri. I did name that one. Purple Rain, I did name that one. So obviously these are all named after cocktails. Cotton Candy Champagne, which I've never had cotton candy champagne, but I feel like it would be delicious. A Chichi Colada, which is a blue. It's kind of a bluish purple. Blue Hawaiian. I find Chichi Colada, let me just look if these are the ones that I think look very similar. I can't remember. There's two of them that I thought were quite similar. Well, Chichi Colada and Blue Hawaiian are similar, but there is a difference. Same with Strawberry Daiquiri and Fruit Punch. There is a difference when you look at them in person. They might look the same in the videos that I show you here, but in person there is a difference. And then there's Apple Teeny, which is a green, and Mojito, which is a green. And these two, I do find I have a hard time telling the difference. You probably don't need both of them. You could choose just one, but they are also very, very nice. And then a yellow, which is called Lemon Drop, and an orange one, which is like more of a coral, and it's called Mimosa, and I love this one. So you guys, I couldn't choose just one of them because I used them so much. And I know that we are at the end of August, moving into September, and fall is on its way. But I'm showing you everything that I loved in August. So even if you're thinking, oh, Jen, September's coming, I'm not going to be using this, I would still get them for next year because they are amazing, and I can't guarantee that she will have these again next year, so get your hands on them if you can, and the flakes as well, because honestly they're all amazing. So number 1 is definitely going to be the Cocktail Glitters Collection from Glitter Mix Canada. All right, guys, so number 2, again, are neon items. And again, I could not just pick one because I used so many of them. So I'm just going to pull over my 7-tier rack if I can kind of show you guys a little bit here. I don't know if it'll fit in the camera. I don't want it to fall off my desk. So I have not switched out my 7-tiered rack yet for fall. I'm actually doing that today, and I'm going to film it because it's, God, my hair is driving me crazy, you guys. It's driving me crazy today. I'm going to film switching out my 7-tiered rack because I always get requested to do that. It's just kind of a fun video to show you guys. But I also have a video where I showcase neon, I think it's just like neon colors from Madame Glam. And I will link that video below and show you guys, and you can just look at all of the neons because I honestly could not pick one. Again, I will post some photos or videos in the corner here of nails that I've done using the Madame Glam neon colors. Now, it's not a collection. I just went through their website and basically chose a ton of neon colors. I don't even know how many I have, to be honest. But again, I will link that video for you below and you can go and watch that video. And if there are neon colors that you're looking for, I know, again, we're moving into fall, but I used the crap out of these, you guys, for July and August. So I've got a ton of them. I'm not going to go through all of the names for you guys because I'm just going to link that video for you. Otherwise, we'll be here all day. But basically, all of these, and these. And I actually have probably a few purples up on my rack on the wall that I would also list. But basically, all of the colors that are in that neon colors video, any of those would suffice. I can't choose one. I just love them all. So number 2 is going to be any of the neon colors from Madame Glam. All right, guys, so number 3 might seem kind of like an odd item or maybe an item that you guys already all use, but it's just going to be canned air. So I get mine at Dollarama for $4, and like, so funny because they don't carry it on the shelves anymore because people will actually huff it. They like suck it into their mouth and get high off of it. So when I go in there, I always buy like 6 at a time, and I always have to ask them at the counter, like, hi, can I get 6 canned airs? And I swear, you guys, every time I get kind of a funny look like, And I always like make the comment, I don't huff it, I promise. I use it. I'm a nail tech. I have lots of nail dust and I use it for that. And then we have a little laugh and it's funny. So, but I recently found a new thing that I could use this for, and I will post a video in the corner here. I just posted it on my Instagram. So you guys have probably been seeing this trend everywhere where you kind of blob on some gel polish onto a nail, and then most people are taking a straw and blowing it, but I'm still wearing masks and everything in my nail salon due to COVID. So I wasn't going to take my mask off and start blowing all over my clients' nails. So I've been using this, and I think this works even better because unless, like, when you have a straw, you can't get like a steady stream, right? Because you only have so much air coming out of your body. So with this, you can just easily, like, very lightly, or if you want to push harder, and it's a steady stream. And when you watch this video, I'll probably just post it again. It's very mesmerizing to watch. So I absolutely loved using this. And I use this for dust, obviously. Like, throughout the day, I am just using this to get the crap off my desk fast. And then I, wipe my desk down and everything. But I hate wiping with my Cavicide wipes, my Cavi wipes. I hate wiping the table when there's dust, if that makes sense. So I prefer to just dust it off with this. I use this to dust off my shelves. I use it for everything, my TV, everything. But now I also use it to do that marbling nail art, and I love it. So I can't wait to try it again. I think for fall, it's going to be really fun to use this and create some really nice fall marbling. It just looks different than regular marbling. It's like another way to do marbling. We love our marbling. So number 3 is going to be any type of canned air. This one in particular is from Dollarama. All right, guys, so number 4 is going to be these little dust brushes. I don't know if you can see them. I will also put up a close video for you guys. I like to do that in the corner. So I have been having some clients who have been having lifting, like more than usual. And I feel like you know, with the hand sanitizer, the constantly washing hands, of course we have some clients who are just harder on their nails, some kind of are pickers, things like that. I just feel like I've been noticing it way more, and I don't know why. I've changed my primer. You know, I'll open up a new bottle of primer to make sure that's good. I was using Swipe from Young Nails. So if you guys don't know, I currently use the Young Nails system. So yeah, I've been using their Swipe. I've been using their primer. So, one of the things that I thought maybe was happening, so at the end of my client's service, like when I have filed and shaped and buffed, and now it's basically time to remove the dust, I was using my brush, like I have a kind of scrubby brush that I use, and alcohol. And sometimes I would just use the Swipe solution because if I had some left over in my little Dappen dish from when I prepped the nails, I would use that, and I would just like use that wet brush to dust off the nails. And part of me thought maybe I'm oversaturating the cuticle area with that liquid and it's causing lifting. So I was on the hunt, and you know, years and years ago, I know I purchased some of these, and then I don't remember if I ever used them or if I did and I didn't like that. I don't know, but I couldn't find them because I was like, oh, don't you have these little brushes? And I like searched everywhere, could not find them. So I went on Amazon. I found these ones. I will link them below for you guys. And so what I do now after I'm done the filing, buffing, is I take this on a very low speed and I go in around the cuticle area. And my clients, I've just been using them this week, and my clients are like, ooh, that's new. What is that? And I'm like, oh, it's just a little dusty brush. I'm just getting it. And they love it. Every single one of them is like, ooh, it feels good. Oh, it's so soft. Ooh, I love this. This might be my new favorite part. So it really gets into that, you know, cuticle area, that proximal nail fold, and just gets all of that dust out. And then I still do go in with a wet brush, or you could use a wet wipe, but I just use very little liquid now because I don't have to really oversaturate and get all of that dust out because the majority of it is already out. So I really have been liking this. I can't say whether or not it's been helping with my lifting clients because I won't see them now. I'm actually going on a vacation. I'm going to be away for a couple of weeks. So I won't see them for like 3 weeks anyways, because until they come back. So I won't really know if it's helping. I hope it helps, but either way, I still really, even if it doesn't help with the lifting, I'm going to use these because I really, really like it, and I can sanitize them and everything like that. So number 4 is going to be these little duster brushes from Amazon. All right, guys, lastly is going to be some lotion. So you guys know I was using the Moody Mare lotion from the pink chair for quite some time, and I ran out and I just haven't purchased any more. And I was at Modern Beauty here in Regina, and I came across the Hemp's lotion, and I thought I would try this one, and I love it. It is called Pink Pomelo and Himalayan Sea Salt. It smells so good, and even my clients, again, they've been using it this week. My client last night like put it all over her body, like everywhere that there was exposed skin, and even where there wasn't exposed skin, she like went down in her shirt. And she was like, oh my gosh, you have to, like, when you go to buy more, can you please pick me one up? Because it smells, I don't even know. Let me put a little bit on here. I don't even know how it smells. It smells like candy to me. And Hemp's, we know, is just good product. I have always loved Hemp's lotion. I don't know. Oh, you guys, it just smells so stinking good. So I highly recommend this. There was another one that I smelled when I was at the store, and I think it was either called something pineapple, or maybe it was just called pineapple. It also smelled, I mean, just like pineapple. If you love pineapple, it smelled really good. So I might get that one next when this one runs out. But yeah, it's so good, you guys. So number 5 is just the Hemp's lotion, Pink Pomelo and Himalayan Sea Salt. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. A little quick one for you, my top 5 favorites for August. Again, I always ask you guys to share with me if you have any top favorites that you used in August, or items that you're saying I need to try that I haven't tried. I always love hearing from you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with someone else. And as always, have an amazing day.